Now you have embedded ThoughtSpot into your application. Everything looks fine, everything works great, but something is off. The color don't match, the font feels wrong, and your design team is pinging you already on Slack. Here's the thing, styling embedded components is really a pain. You're digging through docs, guessing those difficult CSS variable names, and refreshing it 100 times just to see if that shade of blue is right. It is slow, it is annoying, and there has to be a better way. And that's where Theme Builder comes in. It's basically a visual playground where you can actually customize your embed as per you. Live board visualization, search, spotter, everything. You can tweak the styles, see the changes in real time, and when you are satisfied, you can get that thing in JSON. And in this video, I'm going to show you how Theme Builder works and how can you customize your ThoughtSpot embeds with Theme Builder without the pain and hassle. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel for more such amazing videos related to ThoughtSpot coming ahead.
Today I'll be walking you through the theme builder, how we can customize the embedded ThoughtSpot and like a ThoughtSpot look and feel as per the host application. So adding some little bit of context here. So ThoughtSpot has a customization framework. What it does, it provides a config. Like you just need to pass this config, and based on this config you can customize everything and anything inside the embedded ThoughtSpot. So theme builder is basically enhancing the one of the most important user flow, which is the variables. So variables are some set of tokens which controls the styling of the embedded ThoughtSpot. So if we go, we see this is the variables reference. We find like around 100 200 of variables that you can find, and that can help you customize the ThoughtSpot embedded ThoughtSpot. Let's see how we can do it right away. So as we can see, we have a playground, and let me just reload it. Let's take an example of live board. Will Okay, I will. So we have certain other like lot of different customizations. One of the customization that I'll be talking about today is the custom styles. So these custom styles like can customize the default styles, the icons, typography, and all the color schemes. So let's just add something here. Okay. Let's see. Let's take an example. I want to maybe customize the buttons or the title of the page. So what I can do, I can just find the relevant variable name that can control the styling. So here the button, so in ThoughtSpot we have three different type of buttons on primary, secondary and tertiary. So these are the secondary buttons. So I'll just go and refer the secondary button variable names, and I can use to control the styling. Let me go here. Yeah. So this refers to the font color of the secondary button. I'll just do one thing. I'll just upload. Let's give some color blue. Okay, let's change something else also. Let's change maybe the root color. So here we have application background color. I just copy this, I'll paste it. Maybe yellow. Um, okay, so let's see if these styles are getting applied. So this is the SDK where you like in your init you can provide this config, customization config that can take CSS URL, variables, icon URLs, everything. So as we can see, we have just changed the color, root background color to yellow, and the text color, font text color is blue. So let's see how we can do it using theme builder, like how this experience will be enhanced using the theme builder. So theme builder will be present under the customization. Soon it will be available in your instances. So, and if I click here, I will directly go to the theme builder. So as we can see, all the controls on my left and all the preview on the right. Let's so since it will be present in your cluster, so you can have all these components and all your data. So you can work on your own objects and customize until you get satisfied. Yeah, let me just choose one live board. And I have changed to yellow, and let's change some button color. So we have changed the secondary background color to blue. I have this blue, and let's change something else also. Let's see what else we can do with this. I have charts. I can change the background color of this. Oh, my bad. Uh, So as we can see, like how it became so easy and flexible to me to change the same customizations in the playground. Or what you can do, if you want to see the actual variable name, you can just hover over it and you will find the exact variable name that can control the styling of the embedded component. Here, and let's see, okay, let's deep dive into what all components which is present on the theme builder. So here on the top you'll find all the components, and you can select your own object IDs. As per for full app, you'll find all these options available here. And we have spotter as well. Spotter, you can just change, you can just select data source and it will be automatically be there. Then we have each variable. So around we have 200 variables. So all these are categorized into a structured format. So it will be easier for customers to navigate and to understand. It is very easy and intuitive. Like I can see what this mean. I can see this will change the primary background color. And then we have the some set of actions what we can do. So we have the export JSON. So whatever, like let's see, I just changed this. I can just copy this, and if I apply this here or in your SDK where you have embedded ThoughtSpot, you can just run and see, you see the same thing. So until and unless until you are satisfied with your customizations, you can just play around the customizations. You can export it, copy it. You can export as in JSON. So if you want to share it with somebody else, or if you want to save it, you can keep it in a JSON format. Then we have the import. Let's say I have already, so I have this JSON. Okay, so let me do something. Let me keep only one root color. Okay. Okay, before moving to import, let's see what else we have. So with each variable, we have a reset. You can reset it anytime and it will reset to the default. We have the global reset as well. That will reset the default of all the styles like this. And then if we import it, let's say this, it asks for the JSON, and as we can see, it is uploaded. So you can just share it, upload it, and then you can see the customization all available in with your instance. And we have not only colors, we have multiple input also. It's same as what we have for the variables, like the font family. We can change the family font. We can change the text. We can make it like this, and we can see the live. We can see everything live. We don't have to reload it as what we have seen in the SDK playground. So, and each section defines some categories that is, yeah, easier. Let me do something. I'll ask some query. Get me some chart. Let's customize spotter. Okay, it's there right on top. We can customize the input. This controls this one, and we can customize the prompt background as well. Let's say it changes to blue. So, and these are, we can do it in charts. We have these customization available like this, and we can control. So yeah, as per us, whatever ThoughtSpot we can customize, we have these variables available to us. And not only colors, we can customize more things: border radius, shadow, font family, text color, access title color. All these available, these controls are available with you to customize as per your need. Let me show you one thing more. So we can customize the font in two ways. One, we can have the font here, we can add it. This will be taken as a font face. Otherwise, we can add a custom font, we can upload it here. And let's change this to, and this will be available right in my theme builder. Yeah, and I can just add this font to customize the text. So this is this, and yeah, again, so this is the reset button that controls the resetting of each item. And we have export import. Other than this one, so let's say it will, I have customized something in this component. I want to I want to see how it will look in another component. So I can just go over that, and it will still, the changes what you have done, it will stay. And it not only in the same session, but if you just reload it, and if you want to work after some time, you can just reload it, will stay. We are storing it. So this gives the capability. In playground, we cannot do it once we change it, everything goes away. But with theme builder, we have that capability as well, where we can store our work locally, or we can store, or we can share our in JSON. We can copy the JSON, and we can share. So this controls the major part, like on the customization variables, and has all the variables available, whatever is there on the documentation. So yeah, it makes the like life easier. I don't have to go to the documentation. Yeah, of course, if I want to know something, the variable definition, I can go through it, and the same variable you will find on here. You can hover, and you can check what exactly it does, and you can find the definition of that. So this is about theme builder.
So that was it for this particular video. We have talked about theme builder. In the next video, I'm going to talk about a very crucial concept again. So make sure you do set a reminder, hit that like button, and share it with your friends who are working on ThoughtSpot, and see you in another one.